So right now I'm going out to the supermarket with my dad, and I am going to go get some breakfast because my big sister, she's coming over with her children, and her children are my niece and my nephew. So we're gonna go get some breakfast supplies, and we're also gonna get some more slime ingredients for my new video that I'm gonna make today. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Do not skip this video. Do not skip to the slime part. Okay guys, so we just got here. So we're gonna go get breakfast supplies now. And then we're gonna get our slime supplies after we get breakfast supplies. So what do we need?
Oh, I left my wallet in the car.
My dad left his wallet in the car, so now we have to go back and get the wallet. All right, guys, my dad's going crazy. I'm in the shopping That was crazy, but I'm gonna get out of the shopping cart. I still fit in here because I'm so tiny. Oh, Dad's gonna help me get out. Okay, that was crazy.
Gotta get you ready for that slime video
Yeah.
that everybody's gonna watch and not skip, right? Don't skip.
Don't skip the video. Just because you want to see me and my niece make slime, do not skip the video. Watch the whole entire thing.
Oh.
I got a double chin. I'm a weirdo.
Wait, what?
I made a double chin.
Come on.
My sister has a double chin.
Look at your father.
My dad got a big forehead.
Fascinating. Talking about my brain.
So does my sister. Me and my sister look like my dad, and my brother looks like my mom. So I got sunburned in Puerto Rico. I got some sunburn on my nose. It was peeling, so I put on some lotion before we left. So, and I burned my shoulders, but my shoulders are not peeling. My dad's shoulders are peeling really bad. Like he looks like a lizard. My dad's cranky.
No, I'm
Yes, you are. You were cranky in the house. You were cranky at mommy.
I was.
You need salchichas?
I didn't want to take two just in case.
If you don't know what salchichas are in Spanish, that's how you, in English, they're called Vienna sausages. Let me know if you like Vienna sausages. Some people, let me know in the comments down below if you like Vienna sausages. Some people don't like Vienna sausages, or maybe they just, because I saw people on YouTube as well, and they were trying Vienna sausages and they didn't like it. And I'm like, how do you not like it? It's so good.
It's a Latino thing.
Me and my sister love spaghetti. My brother, every time they make spaghetti, my mom makes spaghetti, or my dad, he's like, why do we gotta eat spaghetti again? I'm like, me and my sister are like, we haven't eaten spaghetti in a while. Like, my brother, he's just cuckoo. I had a commercial about peanut butter before. Had a commercial about peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I could eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mom won't let me. I like it smooth. My brother likes it crunchy. I love peanut butter. Thank you. So yeah, I couldn't do really all the hand motions because I have you guys in my hands. So But let me know in the comments down below how I did it. How good I did it. Yeah! No. It's cold in Walmart.
Yeah,
I should have brought my sweater.
I gotta go to the store.
And it was also freezing in the airport. It was freezing in the airport at Puerto Rico. Like,
Not even funny.
like my mom and my grandma had to buy a $20 blanket from the convenience. They had to buy a $20 blanket. That's how cold it was. They had to spend $20 on a thin blanket. It wasn't even thick. Let us know in the comments down below what videos we should do.
No pranking dad videos.
Well, we can't prank Dad because he's gonna help me out with pranks.
Pranking mom.
Pranking Mommy. Oh, I could prank I could prank my family. I could prank my sister, my brother, my mom. So right now I'm using a phone to record, but I have a really cute white camera that I'm gonna use soon. I actually might use it today for my slime makeup destruction video. And I have a little special something that's gonna be in my video today. She's gonna be helping me out, so stay tuned. Are we finished?
The second.
What?
The second.
Because I can't wait to get my slime ingredients.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. We're gonna do the slime after we eat breakfast, so. In Puerto Rico, they had makeup at this store, and it was only $1. Oh my God! For each makeup palette. It was $1. So we got my dad. He surprised me. He got so much. So I have enough to make more makeup slime videos. We're not gonna use all the makeup like today. We're gonna use it other times too. And sometimes we're gonna do blindfolded slime challenges, stuff like that. But if you have an idea for a video, let me know in the comments down below and I will make that video and I'll try to film that video for you guys. But you gotta make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I post, you'll get notified. Like
You gotta
post
let them know.
your videos.
Don't make your parents spend a lot of money on makeup.
Buy old $1 makeup. Cause that makeup over there was dusty. Cause I'm not gonna put it on. I'm just gonna like put it into slime and stuff.
I tell you what, when we get 100 subscribers, I'll go buy $100 worth of MAC makeup and we'll do MAC makeup destruction.
And we won't just do eyeshadow and blush. We'll do lipstick. We'll do eyeshadow. We'll do blush. We'll do glitter. We can do anything in the slime. But I have to at least hit 100 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I know I could get to 100 subscribers. I know you got it.
You can do better.
Slime.
Outdoor slime. We're also gonna get this other big slime kit. I already have a slime kit, but it's really tiny. It only comes with 2 glues and 2 little bottles of magical liquid. But we're gonna go get a bigger one. If we could find it, we're gonna get a big one, like big. We saw it at Puerto Rico, but it was a little bit too much money. So we're gonna see if it's here, but if it's cheaper. And if it's not, then we'll order it online. But we're gonna get glow-in-the-dark glue. I almost glow-in-the-dark glue, so I'm very excited. This is the one!
Well, they got it.
Right here!
You're getting it. That's the one, right?
This is the one, guys.
Show them.
It's the slime kit that we found. It has we couldn't get it over there because it was really expensive, and because we couldn't bring liquids with us on the plane. So.
Let them know you make your own slime too, like
Well,
original slime. You don't need a kit
Yeah,
to make it.
I don't need a kit because I already got my stuff at home. Because we made a lot of slime back in the past, like before I got my YouTube channel. I secretly made slime. That's how I always get a new slime every single day. But I never tell my mom. Or sometimes I had this slime kit that I got for Christmas, and I just make my own slime. But I've been making so much slime that I almost used all my what is it called? All my stuff in the slime kit. I almost used all my ingredients, so. But I don't just need a slime kit to make slime. I can make homemade slime. I can make any slime you guys want me to make.
Bring it on.
We gotta find the glow-in-the-dark bottles of glue now. We're gonna go on the hunt. We already found my slipper came off again. We already found that one. We just need to find the other ones. Oh, you have color changing glue. Look, it's yellow and red.
That's it. We're done.
I guess this is the only bottle that we found.
We are done.
But
Let's go.
that's okay. So excited. But I gotta do homework while my dad's making breakfast because I forgot to do my homework. So, but my homework's just about reading and stuff. So I could do a little bit today, and then I could do the rest at maybe my grandma's house because I'm gonna stay with her until I start school, which is not that long. Very sad, but it's okay. My slipper just came off again. That's the third time it's came off. All right, well, we're gonna go pay now. So
My favorite part.
he's being sarcastic. You don't gotta pay for all the slime that we got because I gotta pay for it. So stay tuned because we're gonna make more videos of slime stuff. So stay tuned. Make sure you press that notification bell so every time I post a new video, like slime, anything, you'll get notified. So you'll get notified every single time.
They'll be part of the YW Familia.